people, and welcome me to another interesting video. I know I've been lost for a long time. I know I haven't been posting, but today we are back and I'm back again with another interesting video. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a little bit of breakfast and then we head out. I'm thinking of taking my baby out on an adventure, so guys, stay tuned till the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, guys. It will make a huge difference. So yeah, guys, welcome to the vlog.
Run this country. All we gotta
So mostly tunalikisha at least mtoto ana understand two and a half.
Mambo? Thank you. Twende. Anguka. Oh, so serene. So guys, we're just here in the fun. See? Nipe mkono. Twenda pole pole. Mom, ile nini? Ile nini? Ile ni nini kwa pale? Ha. Ona ka monkey. Monkey. Hiyo ni nini kwa hapo? Monkey. Where is it? Oh my goodness, monkey! And there is another fall there, guys. Okay, my camera is not focusing. I'm so much. Where is the monkey? Whoa, there it is, guys. Ouch. Monkey! Let me turn the camera again so that I can show you the monkeys. Say hi. Monkey! Monkey! Guys, there's because there are some other monkeys. This is so sad. Monkey! Sawa. Twendele. Si ukuje? Wangu. Wewe. Bye bye. Sama hi hi. So guys, I think this is one of the coolest 3-star hotel around in Thika, because it has a hotel as well as it also has a animal park, and also a place where your kids can play, so you can go here and relax and run your errands. It's a good place, by the way, to go with your families, go out on a date, you can take your kids as well, yeah, and you can enjoy. So this is the animal park side, of which you have to pay on the entrance, though I think it's a public thing, but you have to pay a little fee. So yeah, this is the animal side. You go and enjoy the animals. There were some crocodiles, rabbit, snakes, ostrich, tortoise. There were not a lot of animals, but there were a few animals in here, ostrich. So at least you can go with your kid and they learn, yeah, they get to learn as well as they enjoy.
Yeah, the goose here. The goose here. Hapana, nitakubite. Lakini bado ni kwa shimo. Bado kuna ile mwenye kwa shimo hii kuna sasa huyo alikufa. Mwenye alikuwa na wawili. Walikuwa mdogo kuliko yeye. Oh, you love the snakes. Wonderful. Get to the museum. And you can see more species. Watu wa phobia nini ya snake wako wapi? Nataka watu wapende snake. Wako chonjo. Haya watu wenye wapende.
So we got a chance to go in the museum where they stored the ancient of the old things. Yeah. So they also have a museum in here, and we are being directed by our tour guide, and as well as him explaining a few things. So I didn't take a long footage in here, but I think the few things that I took, you're going to enjoy as well as learn what goes in here.
This one is doing now. So when I open here, first of all I just have it.
So at this moment we're already done with the museum and the animal park. So yeah, baby went to play, and I think that's how I'm going to end the video. We enjoyed a little bit and then we went back home.